In this video, I'll show you how to create a PlayStation account. All you have to do is open your browser and go to the playstation.com and then choose your country, and then you should get to this homepage. And then from here, click on sign in at the top right corner. And then select create an account. And then choose create. Now, all you have to do is choose the region that you'd like to use. So let me just choose my region and then choose the language that you'd like to use. But depending on the region that you select, it will automatically pick up the language. So once you've selected your region, click on next and then type in the date of birth. And then still click on next. And then from here, you'll be prompted to provide a valid email address and type in a password. So let me just provide the details that are needed. And then once you're done, click on next. And then you have to select your country, your current country, or the region of residence. So provide that. And then all you have to do is select next. And then you have to enter your online ID and your name. So this will be used whenever you are sending emails to you from PlayStation. So choose the online ID. Then click on next. And then once you're done, you should see this page whereby you can select the options that you'd like to receive information about new products, special offers, and other promotions from PlayStation. So I'll just select by email. And then once you have done, simply read through the PlayStation terms of service, privacy policy, code of conduct, and all the other options. And then select agree and create account. So choose that, and then you should see this option. Your account was successfully created. Now from here, you can now go to your PlayStation and now sign into your account. Now at this point, you should get to this section whereby you're told to update your account. So you can choose to do this later, or you can simply select next and proceed with the information. So let's just do it. Select next, and then you can read through all these and choose the option that you prefer. So select confirm. Now at this point, you have to verify your email address. So a verification email has been sent to that particular email address. So follow the instruction and then select already verified. So simply access the email that they have sent you. So from that email, select it and then select verify now. And then this will launch another page. And then you should see your email address has been verified. So go back to the first tab and then select already verified. And now from here, you'll now successfully sign in into your new PlayStation account, as you can see. So this is my new PlayStation account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.